Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw arcs with polylines. One of the most useful things about polylines in AutoCAD is that they are not limited to straight segments only. A single polyline can contain both straight lines and curved arc sections, allowing you to create cleaner, more connected geometry without breaking objects into multiple separate parts. This is extremely important in professional drafting because connected geometry is easier to edit, measure, offset, hatch, and manage later in the project. A polyline is a connected drafting object made from multiple segments. A polyline may include straight lines, curved arcs, combined line and arc geometry, all inside a single object. Polylines help create cleaner drawings, easier editing workflows, connected geometry, and better drafting efficiency. Start by opening AutoCAD, then open your drawing workspace. Go to the command line, type PLINE, then press Enter. PLINE stands for Polyline. What happens after activating PLINE? AutoCAD enters Polyline drawing mode. This means every segment you create becomes part of one connected object. Now draw a normal straight line segment. The polyline starts as a straight segment before transitioning into an arc. Important clarification. Even though you begin with a line, AutoCAD still treats the object as one continuous polyline. Now you have two ways to activate arc drawing inside the polyline command. Option 1. At the command center, click Arc. Then Option 2, use the shortcut. Type A. Then press Enter. A is the shortcut for Arc mode inside the polyline command. The straight polyline now transitions into curved arc creation mode. Move your cursor and continue drawing. The geometry now forms curved arc segments instead of straight line segments. Important clarification. The arc remains part of the same polyline object. It is not a separate disconnected arc entity. What you just did, you started a polyline, switched from line mode to arc mode, created connected curve geometry, built a single editable drafting object. You combined linear and curved geometry into one unified polyline system. Polyline arcs are easier to manage because they stay connected, they behave as one object, editing becomes simpler. Offsets and hatches work better. To summarize, drawing arcs with polylines in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and typing PLINE in the command center before pressing Enter. After drawing an initial straight line segment, the polyline can be converted into arc mode either by selecting the arc option in the command center or by typing A and pressing Enter. Once arc mode is activated, the line transitions into curved geometry, allowing you to continue drawing connected arc segments while still remaining inside the same polyline object. And that's how to draw arcs with polylines in AutoCAD. The important thing to understand is that professional CAD drafting is not just about drawing shapes, it's about creating efficient, connected geometry that's easier to edit and manage later. Polyline arcs are a huge part of that workflow. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.